And we are back with another video, guys. Today we're going to be working on replacing the shifter cable on this 2004 Suzuki XL-7. Looks like somebody already attempted a repair of some sort. Some things are already out of the way. With the shifter trim out of the way, the next thing you want to do is pop this thing loose. Basically just a prying tool, and just gently lift up on it and it should come right out. Looks like we got a few screws we got to take out, and then there's going to be 2 bolts hidden inside here as well. They're already gone apparently. So what you want to do is get those 2 bolts out and then undo these screws, and then you'll notice a little notch right there, down there. Just be careful when you pop that off. And then what you want to do is lift up on the console and then pull it backwards. That should give you some room to work. With that out of the way, what you want to do is pull back on this piece right here. You got to apply quite a little bit of force to get it off. No worries, you won't break nothing. So once you got it pulled back, all you got to do is lift it up over the shifter and get it out of the way. The vehicle up in the air, you're going to get on there the passenger side, and you'll be able to see the shifter cable right over here. We already have it disconnected. In order to get the cable disconnected from up there, I like to use a prying tool and just pry against it and press on one of them plastic clips on the side, and it should slide right out. And we are back under the vehicle on the driver's side, and you'll be able to see the transmission cable right up in there, right along the transmission. Right up there. It's going all the way to the gear shifter, all the way to the back. And we are back into the vehicle, and the next step would be unbolting the gear shifter. All you have to do is take the 4 bolts out and then gently slide it forward and move it to the side. As you can see, I'm gonna have to pop this thing off of here and put the new one on. Looking at the new part, you'll be able to see that there's a metal clip you're gonna have to pull in order to get the cable off. So in our situation, that thing is already gone off of here, but I did have some trouble popping this off. So what I did, I used some Freon and sprayed it over, and then I used my prying tool and popped it right off. In order to get the oil shifter cable out, I did a combination of things. I started by pulling on it from the bottom and also slowly guiding it along the transmission. You're gonna have to reach up there and slowly guide it. And then what you wanna do is you wanna come back here to the top and slowly try to pull the rest of it out through here. And there we go, that's one end. Now we're just gonna drop it in there and pull it out from the bottom.